What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am back. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We're back. We had to come back and do an update. Real quick, if you haven't checked out my projects, the link is in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come to this page and peruse around and see what we got going on. All right, so back. Want to do an update on my #1 digital program, okay, of 2025 Legacy Builder program. So there is going to be an update. If you don't know, I got started with the Legacy Builder program. Actually, they launched last year, March 31st, I believe. It was Easter weekend of 2024. This program actually officially launched, and I was there for the beginning of it from day one. Actually, prior to day one, when the owner was talking about creating the program. So I've been there for the whole duration, and as you know, all last year I promoted the Legacy Builder program. Haven't stopped promoting it because I believe it is the #1 digital program for 2025 and beyond. Okay, there's so many benefits I could run down, but I know one of the main one is the interactive training that you get. I've never been a part of a program that actually had the hands-on training with the owner in the program, day in and day out, providing value, daily videos, weekly trainings, live trainings that are interactive where people can actually engage with each other. All right. Thriving support community. I mean, we can go on and on and on, but the #1 thing is the interactive part of the program, okay? Because people like to be able to engage with others, all right? Not just have a course sitting in their back office or their dashboard where it's just them by themselves, okay? There's some people like myself, I could do that because I've been in the game long enough where I can just join a program and let's go, okay? But when you're brand new, I get it. You definitely need that. You definitely need the support. And you need to see other people like yourself as a newbie or beginner that you can connect with. So they offer that here, as well as the owner. You can connect with the owner here because she's active in the program. So anyway, the end of this month, it will be 1 year that this program has been out. So let's shout out to that. Awesome. It's been a great ride with the program. All right. So March Madness, okay, end of this month will be a year, the 31st. So guess what they're doing? They're going to be enhancing the program. It's going to be the Legacy Builder 2.0, okay? So there's going to be some updates. That's what I want to talk about. There's going to be some updates with the program, enhancements. The website is going to be updated. They're going to be switching that out, which is great. Give it a new look. They're going to have new capture pages. They're going to have new email automations. Okay, they're going to update all those emails that we have in there. Remember, the program comes with a free marketing system. Okay, totally free. Email autoresponder, all that is free. I just happen to be right now promoting this third-party marketing system that you've been seeing me talk about. It's only $40 one time. All right, and it's powered by the Networker Central. But I just needed you guys to know about these new updates. So now it's definitely time to get started if you want to learn the skills to earn and build and automate your online business with 100% profit. That's the other thing. It's 100% profit. There's no middleman. We keep all the commissions. Okay, from the program. We are a reseller of the program. I didn't have to create anything. The owner of the program created it. I'm basically a partner. Okay, so I'm able to promote the program where she's done all the work, created it, build it, all that. All I have to do is promote it, and I get to earn 100% commissions, just like you would. So, and it's a proven system at this point. I mean, I think it's over 50,000 members in the program. Okay. Get instant access to this proven system that thousands are using and learn proven strategies to monetize social media, build an email list, and earn 100% profit online. All right. We've got folks from 18 to 80 or 80 plus doing this program. So you don't have to be technical. You don't have to worry about any of that. It's very newbie, beginner friendly. So all you got to do is plug into what's already here, guys. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. Plug in to this automated system. All right. So imagine this scenario. Discovering what you need to do to learn the skills and strategies to attract daily paying customers and set you up for financial freedom without spending any money on marketing, because they show you how to do it using social media and posting ads. You don't have to bug friends and family. How would you like that? I know if I had a program like this when I started, which has nothing to do with the friends and family part, but if I had a program that gave me all the tools like this program did 10 years ago, I wouldn't have wasted all that time trying to figure things out and buying this system and buying that system. So all that has been eliminated. Now you can get straight to it, step by step. Okay, you don't have to fool with a guess game with this. That's the other thing here. So you can get started, whether you're a busy parent, burned out professional, network marketer, a 9-to-5, or thousands are creating automated income online. Now it's your turn, guys. Now it's your turn. And we've got tons. When I tell you thousands of testimonies for this program, so it's not a question about does this work. This program is not on trial. All right, we've got thousands of testimonies. Here's just a few. I'm not going to play them, but they're there. Trust me. And once you get in, you'll see in the community thousands and thousands of people that has used this system that had no idea about how to make money online, didn't have a clue what affiliate marketing was, didn't know what digital marketing was, any of that stuff. And they're able to use this simple system. They were able to use the simple system to success. So, Legacy Builder Program. It gives you the skills, the strategies, and tools to launch a 100% profit-driven business while using social media and email marketing to build long-term sustainable income. And that's a fact. Email marketing, my goodness, when I tell you building your lists is the gold mine, don't take that lightly. That's why these capture pages are here. They're not here just for the fun of it. That's how you build your list of subscribers. And you'd be surprised the power of an email that the system will send out for you because of the automations. But not only that, that you can send out personally to your subscribers. Okay? And a lot of folks will be on your list for years and sometimes they never buy anything. Then all of a sudden, out of the blue, one email triggers them and they see the light bulb goes off, and they're like, I'm joining that. Okay? So email marketing is powerful to build long-term sustainable income. Step 1, learn and launch. Get access to the training, tools, and support to set up your digital business. Okay, remember, everything is already done for you. You're just going to plug in. You don't have to build anything. It's already there. Number 2, grow and market. Master organic social media strategies and email marketing to attract high-quality leads. Again, the training is here for you. Just plug in. Step 3, automate and scale. Implement automation strategies to generate recurring income and build long-term wealth. All that's included as far as the training to show you how to do it. Okay? So let's check it out. As I like to say, this is the number 1 daily pay interactive digital marketing program of 2025 and beyond. It comes with step-by-step blueprint. It comes with the interactive training and a 2-hour workday. A 2-hour workday, what is that? That means that they're giving you the income producing activities that you need to do. Because when you join, right? When you join a program, you're like, well, how do I promote it? What should I be doing every day? That's your income producing activities. This simple digital business is easy as 1, 2, 3. It's simple, but people overcomplicate it. You really do. Don't have to do that. So what do we have here? We've got 4 digital products that you will get instant access to, okay? Instantly. Once you make your payment, the system's going to send you an email. You log in, and your products are there. And then you will find the step-by-step training on how to plug in to get everything set up, okay? Not to mention, you're going to join the community. Once you get access in here, you're going to have access to the community. This is where you can get support 24/7, okay? Because this is a global business. That's the thing. It's global. People from all over the world, guys. All right? From Arizona, Alaska, all the way from one side of the world to the other side. U.S. and then, of course, international. All the way to Africa, to wherever internationally. Okay? Because as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection, that's all you need. A Wi-Fi connection on a smart device to do this business. Now, as I stated earlier, the system, Legacy Builder, comes with a free sales funnel, free email automations, and all that. But what you're seeing here is another system that I'm using, a third-party system, the SDS marketing system, the Networker Central marketing system that I'm using. All right? And I'm loving this system. So it's optional. Don't have to get it. You can get the one that comes with the program for free. I'm going to put the link in the description for the free one, and I'm going to put the link in the description for the one I'm on right now, which is coffeeandcoins.info. Go there. But so step 3 is you're going to earn while you learn, guys, and you're going to be able to pocket 100% commissions. Okay, and you just need to follow the blueprint. A simple but powerful digital franchise where ordinary people are achieving extraordinary success. So let's go down here and check out these products, shall we? Again, more testimonies, tons and tons and tons of that. So 4 products. Get in where you fit in. All right, the first product is the $900 product called the Legacy Builder Program. By the way, there's no monthly fees with this program. It's a one-time payment. The company is going to make $29 whole. That's it. The rest, that's why it's 100% profit. Okay? Because they have the website that they're going to create for you. Okay? You're just going to plug in your domain. It's already ready. So you're going to pay the company $29, $900 if you decide to go with that one. $900 is your all in because you get all 4 programs. You leave no money on the table when you do that. But when you do that, you pay $900 one time plus $29 to the company. That's it. Okay? You're all in there. You'll get all 4 programs. You get the Legacy Builder program. You get the Digital Mastery, the Daily Pay Blueprint, and the Launchpad. And remember, you're a reseller, right? You're a reseller. If you own the product, you can resell it and earn 100% profit. Okay? So, myself, I'm a Legacy Builder marketer, right? I own the $900 program. So if someone goes to my website and decide, hey, you know, I want that $900 program. Boom, $900 comes directly to me. $29 goes to the company. All right. And then I own all the other programs. But like it says here, if you're not ready for the $900 commissions, they've got 3 other programs you can get. The Digital Mastery is $600. It'll be $629 one time, remember, no monthly. So if you own this one, every time someone goes to your website and purchases a Digital Mastery, you make $600, guys, instantly. No delays, no middleman. All right. And then the company earns $29, so $629. But when you own this program, you get all the lower programs included, right? So you will also own the Daily Pay Blueprint if you own the Digital Mastery. That one's, if you decide you don't have $600, $300 for the Daily Pay Blueprint. It's $300 plus $29. It's $329 one time. Then that positions you to earn from the Launchpad, the lower program. Then you'll have 2 incomes, the $300 and the $100. All right. But if you don't have the $300, you want to just get started, get your feet wet, the Launchpad is $100 plus $29. All right, be $129 every time you sell the Launchpad. you make 100. If you own it, you can resell it and keep 100% profit. And the owner has done all the work. We didn't have to create it. That's why I like affiliate marketing. Okay. We don't have to create it. We partner with other companies that have created the products. And if we like what we see, which I have to believe in the program for me to promote it, then I promote it and I get to keep 100% commissions. So anyway, as it states right here, under each program, you earn 100% commissions. All right. So if you get this digital mastery, you're going to be able to earn $600, $300, and $100 sales. If you own a $300 program, the Daily Pay Blueprint, you're going to be able to earn $300 and $100 commissions. If you own the Launchpad, you'll be able to earn just the $100 commissions. Okay. And your website is only going to show what you own. Okay. So if you only own the Launchpad, that's the only product people are going to see is the Launchpad. Now, guess what else? If you decide later you want to upgrade, you can do that as well. Right? You may come in today and say, well, I've got 629. I don't have 900 yet, but I got the 629. And later on, I want to come and upgrade. You can do that. Okay. So that's the other thing. Again, get in where you fit in. This program also offers bonuses. Doesn't matter which one you start with, whether it's the 100 or the 900, you're going to get these bonuses that the company provides. All right. So a lot of great bonuses here. Now, the simple digital success system, that's what I'm using right here. Okay. But I will put below the free system. All right. So this is definitely a program I highly recommend. I'm excited to see what the new updates and enhancements are going to look like this month. We'll be back to talk about those as they come on board. But I want to give you that update and for you to also check this program out. Come over here, www.coffeeandcoins.info. 2-hour workday, 100% commissions, guys. It's worth you checking into. Learn the skill to earn and build an automated online business. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.